WhatsApp has added a feature that blocks screenshots of view once messages for enhanced privacy. When you send a view once photo or video, the recipient can view it only once before it disappears. Any attempt to take a screenshot or screen recording will be prevented by WhatsApp, ensuring that your content stays secure. This feature reflects WhatsApp's commitment to giving users more control over their shared content. You can see the indication in the bottom that says this app does not allow screenshots. And in the case if you want to send a WhatsApp message that can't be screenshotted, here's how you can do that. Open your WhatsApp and send a photo or video using View Once feature. Upload a media first. Click on this one icon in the bottom. You can see the indication that photo is set to view once and then tap on Send. Now if the other person attempts to screenshot or record the message, it will display the notification that the screenshots are blocked. Now your messages are more secure, so try it out to keep your privacy intact. This approach could effectively engage users while showcasing WhatsApp privacy features in a quick and entertaining way. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.